Well, it's Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. Election day was a chilly one across central Indiana. It remained dry for most of the day. The high temperature got up to 49 degrees. But then late in the day, rain showers came in, and they've been with us throughout much of the morning hours here in central Indiana. As we go into the afternoon hours, though, any shower activity will come to an end, and the skies will gradually start to clear, and we have a nice warming trend in the extended forecast for you. In fact, once we get the sunshine back in the forecast later on this afternoon, we will have the sunshine straight through the weekend, and temperatures will eventually climb up into the mid-60s. I'll show you your 7-day planning forecast coming up in just a minute or two. Here's what you can expect for the rest of the day, though, today here in central Indiana. By about 2 o'clock, the clouds start to break. By 4 o'clock, we're at 49 degrees. That should be our high temperature for the day today. The skies will be partly cloudy, and then we'll continue to decrease the clouds as we go into the overnight hours. But once that happens and the skies clear, our temperatures cool off very quickly. By 8 o'clock, we're already back down into the upper 30s. So throughout the day today, gradual clearing across the state as the clouds start to break. And once the sunshine returns, it will have a pretty nice evening for you. And then overnight again, it will be clear, and that's going to allow our temperatures to cool off very quickly, eventually down into the 30s. Now, want to point out another coastal storm system making its way up the East Coast. This is exactly what they do not need. Already flight cancellations to parts of the Northeast because of this storm system. It's providing a lot of wind, and also there's winter storm warnings posted for the Philadelphia area and winter weather advisories for parts of western New Jersey for anywhere from about 1 to 5 inches of snow. So it's going to be another rough go for, unfortunately, all those residents there in the Northeast still recovering from Hurricane Sandy. Back closer to home, highs top off in the 40s today to the north, 48 in Lafayette, 49 in Indianapolis, 50 from Greensburg to Bloomington, as well as Terre Haute. And then overnight tonight, temperatures going down into the 20s and 30s. So everybody gets down to at least below the freezing mark in most locations. And take a look at your 7-day planning forecast here. Once we get beyond today, we have a great stretch of weather. Thursday, mostly sunny, up to 54 degrees. Friday, 60 degrees with mostly sunny skies. We have been below normal for about the past 12, 13 days, so it's going to be a nice welcome change once we get back into the 60s. Saturday and Sunday, if you have anything you need to do outdoors, make sure you do it on those 2 days with temperatures in the 60s, dry conditions, plenty of sunshine, because a strong cold front comes through on Monday with showers. And then look at the high temperature for Tuesday, back down into the 40s.